This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards and place the hood prop into the hole on the hood. Remove the bulb access cover from the back side of the headlight housing from the appropriate side headlight bulb being replaced. Remove the headlight bulb by turning it counterclockwise until it can be pulled out of the housing. Disconnect the bulb electrical connector. Without touching the bulb glass surface, connect the electrical connector to the bulb, then insert the bulb into the headlight housing and turn it clockwise until it is locked in place. Install the bulb access cover to the back side of the headlight housing, making sure it is completely sealed around the opening.